Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the decimals to percentage. We are going to convert decimals to percentage, percentages to decimals. Okay. In the last class we have seen that fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction, isn't it? We shall recall that. Okay. Convert 30% to fraction in simplest form also. We can write that 30 by 100, isn't it? We have to change this fraction to simplest form. So you can cancel. Again we cannot cancel, isn't it? So the answer is 3 by 10. Okay. Next, convert the percentage to fraction decimal ratio. Here the percentage is 7%. So 7% is equal to 7 by 100. Then the decimal of this is fraction, isn't it? This is fraction. Okay. Then decimal is equal to 0.7. Okay. Then the ratio is equal to 7:100. Okay. Then we shall move to the next problem. 40%. That is 40% is equal to 40 by 100. This is a fraction. We can cancel this, isn't it? 0, 0 cancel. Then 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So the simplest form of fraction is 2 by 5. This is a fraction. Then decimal. Decimal is decimal of 40%, 40 by 100 is equal to 0.4. Okay. Then ratio. Ratio is 2:5. Otherwise 40:100. Both are same. Okay. 2:5. Then we shall move to 70%. Then fraction. 70% fraction is 70 by 100. Here you can cancel only one 0. So 7 by 10. Then decimal. Decimal is equal to 0.7. Okay. Then ratio. Ratio is equal to 7:10. Converting decimals to percentage. Okay. We shall see one example. 2.10. Convert the given decimal to percentage. Here they have given the question as 0.85 in decimal, isn't it? You have to change this to percentage. So first you have to change this to fraction. 0.85. Can write is as 0.85 by 1 we have. So you have to multiply 2 digits, no? Multiply by 100. Then it will come as 85 by 100. Okay. This is the fraction. Now we can write this as percentage. Percentage of 85 by 100 is equal to 85%. 0.05. 0.05. First you have to change this to fraction. 0.05 means 0.5. 0.05 by 1 we have to multiply both by 100 because we have 2 digit after decimal. So it will come as 5 by 100. So percentage of 5 by 100 is equal to 5%. Okay. Now 0.3, third problem. 0.3. You have to change this to fraction. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 10, isn't it? By 10 means it will come as 3 by 10. Okay. Now we have to change this to percentage means the denominator must come as 100, isn't it? So again I am multiplying by 10. Now it comes as 30 by 100. Okay. Now the percentage. Percentage of 30 by 100 is 30 percentage. Have you understood? Okay. Then fourth problem. In the fourth problem, here 0.025 divided by 1. You have to multiply this by 1000. Then only it will come as whole number. But in the percentage, the denominator must come as 100. So you have to multiply by 100. So it will come as after 2 digit, isn't it? 3 digit, 1, 2, 3 digit you have to keep point. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit you have to keep point. Okay. So the answer is 2.5 by 100. Okay. Now the percentage is equal to 2.5 percentage. Converting the given percentage to decimal. Example 2.11. Convert the given percentage to decimals. Okay. 58%. So 58 percentage, you have to change this to decimal. So we can write as 58 by 100. So decimal is equal to 0.58. Okay. Then 8 percentage. So 8 percentage means 8 by 100. Yes. Now decimal is equal to 0.08. Yes. The decimal of 8 by 100 is 0.08. Then 30 percentage. You can write this as 30 by 100. Okay. So decimal is equal to 0.30. Okay. The next one, 120 percentage is equal to 120 by 100. Okay. Now cancel one. Yes, we can cancel 1 0. Okay. Cancel. Then it will come as 12 by 10. Then the decimal is equal to 1.2. Okay. Then the fifth sum is 1.25 percentage is 1.25 by 100. 1.25 by 100. The decimal comes after 2 digit. 1 digit, again 1 0. So 1, 2. 0.0125 is a decimal. So decimal is equal to 0.0125. Then exercise 2.2 Samachir. Write the percentage as decimal. First problem, second subdivision. Okay. We have to change this 93.1 percentage to decimal. So 93.1 percentage is equal to 93.1 by 100. Okay. We have to change this as decimal. So after 2 digit, this decimal point will come. Here 2 zeros. So 1, 2. So the answer is 0.931. This is the decimal of 93.1. Okay, this is the answer. Then 0.64, fifth problem, percentage is equal to 0.64 divided by 100. So the decimal of 0.64 is after 2 digits, here 2 zeros, after 2 digits the decimal must come. So 0.0064. Okay. Then convert the decimal as percentage is the second problem. In that first subdivision is 0.282. You have to change this to percentage. So first we shall change this to fraction. Fraction is equal to fraction of 0.282 is equal to 0.282. 282 by 1. So you multiply by 100 because for percentage the denominators must be 100. So you are multiplying by 100. So 02820 will come, isn't it? After 3 digit you have to keep point 1, 2, 3. So 28.2 by 100. Okay. Then the percentage is equal to 28.2 percentage. It's the answer. Okay. Then we shall move to the 1.51, second problem. Then fraction. We have to write first the fraction of 1.51 is equal to 1.51 into 100 by 1 into 100. That is equal to 15100, isn't it? After 2 digit at key point by 100. Then the percentage is equal to 151 percentage. Okay. Remaining sums in the first Roman and second Roman is homework. Okay. In an examination, a student scored 75% of marks, isn't it? Represent this percentage in decimal form. First you have to change the percentage to fraction. After that you have to change that to decimal. Okay. First the fraction of mark. The fraction of mark. Fraction of mark. Before that you have to write the percentage. Percentage of mark is equal to 75 percentage. So the fraction is 75 by 100. Yes. Now we can write this as decimal. Okay. So decimal form of mark is equal to 0.75. This is the answer. Okay. Then in a village, 70.5 percentage people are literate. Express it as decimal. Okay. You have to write this as decimal. 70.5. The village, people in village. People in village is equal to 70.5 percentage. Then you can write this as fraction. Okay, fraction of people in village is 70.5 by 100. Okay. Now you have to change this to decimal. Then by 100 means 2 digit, 1, 2. After 2 digit, this decimal will come. So 0.705. This is the decimal. Okay. So people in village is equal to 0.705. This is a decimal form of people in village. Okay. Next, the scoring rate of batsman is 86%. Write his strike rate as decimal. Okay. Scoring rate of a batsman is 86%. After solution, we have to write a scoring. Percentage of scoring. Percentage of scoring is equal to 86%. This is fraction. In fraction, it is 86 by 100. So decimal is 0.86. Okay. Now the answer. His strike rate as decimal is equal to 0.86. Sixth one. The height of a Flagpole in a school is 6.75 meter. Express it as percentage. Okay, solution. The height of a flag. Height of a flagpole. Flagpole is equal to 6.75 meter. Express it as percentage. You have to change this to percentage. First you have to change this to fraction. So fraction is equal to 6.75 divided by 1. Here we have, isn't it? You have to multiply this by 100 because we have to change this to percentage. The denominator must come 100. So now you have multiplied 67500. After 2 digit you have to keep point. Okay. Then it will come 675 by 100. Now the percentage is equal to 675 percentage. Answer. Percentage is equal to percentage of height of a flagpole. It's equal to 675 percentage. Okay. Now we shall move to 7th problem. That is the height of two chemical substances are 20.34 gram and 18.78 gram. Write the difference in percentage. First you have to change both to percentage. After that only we can find the difference in percentage. Okay, solution. The two chemical substances. First substance is equal to 20.34 gram. Okay, we have to change this to percentage first. For denominator is 1. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. So 2034 divided by 100. So the percentage is 2034 percentage. Then the second substance is equal to 18.78 gram. Here also you have to change this to percentage. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Then it will come as 1878 by 100. Now the percentage is 1878 percentage. Okay. Here also percentage. This is percentage. You have to write like that. Here also percentage. You have to change to percentage. Okay. Percentage. Difference. Percentage. Difference is equal to 2034 minus 1878. Okay. Percentage is equal to 156 percentage. 156 percentage. Okay. Then 8th problem. Find the percentage of shaded region. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Here it is 4 parts. Total parts is equal to total region or parts. Total parts is equal to 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that 1 is shaded. Shaded part is equal to 1. So fraction of shaded part is equal to 1 by 4. You have to change 1 by 4 to percentage. So you multiply the 4 by 25. Then you numerator also 25 into 25. So it will come as 25 by 100. Now the percentage of shaded portion. Percentage of shaded portion. Shaded part or portion is equal to 25 percentage. Objective type questions. Ninth problem. Decimal value of 142.5 percentage is dash. Here first you have to change this percentage to fraction. So 142.5 divided by 100. Here we have percentage symbol. So we are writing the denominator as 100. Okay. Now we have to write in decimal. So the decimal number moves to 2 digit after. Here we have 2 zeros. So 1.425. So first one is the answer. 1.425. Okay. 10th problem. The percentage of 0.005 is dash. That is 0.005 by 1. You have to change this to fraction first. So you are multiplying both by 100. So 0.5 by 100. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit 0. After 3 digits you have to keep point. So 0.5 by 100. Now the percentage of 0.5 by 100 is 0.5 percentage. That is second one is the answer. Then the 11th problem. The percentage of 4.7 is dash. That is 4.7 divided by 1. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. This is equal to 470 by 100. Now the percentage of 4.7 is 470 percentage. Okay. Fourth one is the answer for this. Thank you. Have a nice day.